Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find out if a game is region blocked on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see the word Store displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to access Steam's store page where you can browse and search for games. Now, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll notice a magnifying glass icon, which is the search function. Click on it to open the search bar. From here, you can type in the name of any game you want to check. Whether it's a popular title or something more niche, just enter the game's name into the search bar and Steam will pull up relevant results for you. Browse through the search results that appear and click on the specific game you want to check for region restrictions. This will take you to the game's store page, where you'll find all the information about the game, including screenshots, descriptions, reviews, and most importantly for our purposes, purchasing options. Once you're on the game's store page, look at the right side of the screen where you'll see the purchase panel. This is the section that displays the price and the Add to Cart button. Pay close attention to the area directly underneath these buttons. This is where Steam displays any regional restrictions or purchasing limitations. Check for messages like "not available in your region," "purchase restricted in your country," or "this item cannot be purchased." If you see any of these messages displayed beneath the purchase buttons, that's your clear indication that the game is blocked in your region. Steam explicitly tells you when content isn't available for your location right here. If you want to explore this further and confirm the restriction, go ahead and click the Add to Cart button. Watch the screen carefully for what happens next. If the game is indeed blocked, you'll immediately see a pop-up message that says "blocked, not available in your region." This pop-up confirms that the game cannot be purchased from your current location. On the other hand, if the game is allowed in your region, it will simply be added to your cart normally without any warning messages or pop-ups. The item will proceed to your shopping cart just like any other purchase would. Essentially, if you get that blocked pop-up, the decision has already been made, the game isn't available for you. But if there's no message at all and the game goes straight to your cart, then you're good to proceed with your purchase. And that's it. You now know exactly how to check if a game is region blocked on Steam before attempting to buy it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.